Crypto ARVI.
What's going on, Crypto ARVI team? We just finished the last session of the week at the great Canadian Tire Center. It doesn't get much better than this. Hockey in the capital, guys. This is what we came here, and we even got the CCMs.
Is there Bitcoin in there?
A full BTC bike. No, it's just my CCMs. You gotta skate well when you play right. But guys, listen, I finished up the hockey game in the greatest stadium in all of Canada, but I'm really thinking about KingSwap. What is KingSwap? We talked about decentralized. This is decentralized finance. Now what's going on? It's a fully decentralized finance protocol for automated liquidity provision on Ethereum, Ether, NFT trade, swap, buy and sell, off-ramp fiat to cryptocurrency conversions. Now guys, these guys are taking over the game with their NFT packages where you can earn up to 5% monthly passive income. Passive, guys, the money that works for you, you don't work for it. Now guys, these packages for NFT, they are really popping, okay? They're really surging. Now what's going on is we need to go and take a look at KingSwap, see what's going on. Really what they're offering everyone is a full package on actually getting into KingSwap and seeing what's going on and actually getting involved with them. Now guys, that is the move right now. KingSwap is the way to go. I'm the king of the capital center of the CTC. Now let's get going, guys. Crypto ARVI out. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Crypto ARVI channel. Today I'm feeling like a king. Why is that? Because today we're going to be looking at KingSwap.io. Now, Your Highness, let's take a look at really what these guys are all about, okay? Now, their URL is KingSwap.io. Take a look at the teams. Now guys, here's the team at KingSwap. Amelia, Ho Chin, Anish, Amanda, Ahmad, and Dans. Now guys, this is a hardworking team. They work together to bring you guys the best of the best at KingSwap. Now, looking at their advisors, okay? Here are their advisors. You have Michael, Dunstan, Robert, Alex, Gianpaolo, Lionel, Frank, and Malcolm. These are the advisors for KingSwap. That's a big lineup right there. Read a little bit about what they really are, guys. So what is KingSwap? KingSwap is the newest decentralized finance DeFi liquidity pool platform that is a further and better evolution of Uniswap. They're looking to take what Uniswap did and really step things up. And you guys be the judge of that. Please let me know. Go there and tell me what you think. I think they look amazing. In addition to offering off-ramp fiat currency converting solutions to allow users great convenience between the fiat and cryptocurrency worlds, KingSwap is also regulated in Singapore. I love Singapore. It's such a beautiful place. Now, KingSwap has also added some new blockchain community-oriented features to the Uniswap's core design, which will help the offering to boom and provide user-friendly real-time benefits in terms of price, curves, and contributor rewards. Now, their protocol is to design offers to align incentives for users by introducing strategies like pool, rewards, and network effects. Now, you have the 5 USPP between King Luigi and King Mario, and then looking at the ultra high yield rewards per block, unique King tokenomic incentive staking rewards, legally issued King token off-ramp fiat conversions with debit card. Guys, I really want to talk about how their shop gives back capital with rewards. Okay, let's get into the shop, okay guys? Now, do you want to earn daily and have your own Bitcoins and King tokens? Click here. You can learn more about it right there on that button and click here. Now, Bitcoin is pushing its all-time high. We all know this. It's going crazy high. Now, we have projections of 350K USD in the next 5 to 10 years. How much is Bitcoin worth today? We're looking at 18,000 USD in November 2020. We all know that's been higher than that over the past couple months now. Now guys, let me just repeat myself. The shop gives back capital with rewards, okay? And on top of that, keep in mind that crypto is an accelerating market and Bitcoin is the fastest growing asset in that market. It's grown a few 100% over the past few months in value. Now, if you bought Bitcoin a few months ago to now, if you bought a full Bitcoin a few months ago and now you're chilling, you're relaxed, you're good. Now, obviously the price is a lot higher than it was before. People say buy low, sell high. Now, I think it's going to go a lot higher too, quite frankly. And keep in mind, Bitcoin is so valuable. It's such a stable in the community. Now guys, not just Bitcoin being how reliable it is, also DeFi, the decentralized finance aspect of the platform, which refers to the use of blockchains, digital assets, and smart contracts in financial services such as credit and lending. DeFi is a huge chunk of what they do and how it's done to the perfection that it is. And you have the DeFi Pulse. Now guys, we talked about what DeFi is and how it works and whatnot. Now how can you exactly benefit from DeFi? Decentralized finance, what can you get out of that? Now they say it right here. Decentralized finance could make investing a more universal phenomenon, especially for those that don't have access to the modern financial system. By combining apps with blockchain technology, specifically through public blockchains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, decentralized finance makes it possible to get around some of the barriers that are created by more traditional systems. Now you got smart contract, fractional investing, and location independent investing. Your smart contract could automate transactions and remove intermediaries, making investing cheaper, faster, and more accessible. It's just way more convenient, quite frankly. Fractional investing could allow partial or shared ownership of financial assets by using tokenization. This would make expensive stocks like Amazon, which is $1,800 a share, available to a much wider segment of the population. We're talking global, guys. We're not talking local. Global availability. Location independent investing is possible through smartphones. This would make it possible for people in remote parts of the developing world to invest even without access to nearby financial institutions or local markets. Now guys, cash is useful, but it's not going to grow on its own. You need to find assets that are reliable, that are strong, that are secure, that are going to do the work. Now, your money sitting in your bank account is not going to make that much interest. You want to find assets that are going to grow, that have potential, that market analysts are predicting that they're going to be doing good. Now guys, the KingSwap packages are right here. Now you can look at it. You have the Noble Squirrel, the Valiant Knight, the Dazzling Queen, the Exclusive King. Now you can buy them for different purchase prices, and the description for each are listed below. Now, the higher the package tier, the more interest you will be earning, which means you're going to be earning more money on those packages. Now, how are you putting all your money in traditional banks or waiting for interest to grow like a sitting duck? No, take a look at KingSwap. Take a look at these packages they're offering you guys. Take a look at the referral program they've got going for the team. All right. Now, guys, here's the KingSwap exchange. Connect your wallet to the top right here, and then you can exchange and use that wallet, use the funds in your wallet to really make some purchases and get into what's going on in cryptocurrency and blockchain. Okay, that's their exchange. Now let's take a look at the farming and staking aspect of the platform. Now guys, here is where they're on the press. Okay, you got Bloomberg, Yahoo, Financial Post, Hackerdon, and Crowdfund. These guys are published. They're out there. People know about them. They're very much present in their respective markets. Now guys, I want to talk to you guys about the NFT pre-sale and their packages. Okay, now their King's token NFT sales is available now. Now if you want to get more information, you can email them at hello@kingswap.io. That's hello@kingswap.io. Now they got your king tier, your queen tier, and your knight tier packages. Alongside, you have the king, queen, and mummy, knight, mummy packages as well. Now you can buy these for different prices. You have 10 Ethereum, 2s, 0.2 Ethereum, 12, 2.4, and 0.24. These packages are available for you if you want to get into it. Now, you have top tier, mid tier, and basic tier rewards. Obviously, more rewards with the higher value package you're going to be purchasing. So, king tier obviously being the highest, queen being the second, and then the knight and knight mummy being third. Now, obviously, king, queen, and knight are going to be there. They're present. They're not going anywhere. But the king, the werewolf, queen vamps, and the knight mummy are limited edition, which means, quite frankly, they're going to be disappearing. We don't know exactly when, but it's going to be gone some point in the future. So maybe take a look at those, and if you find that there might be more suited towards you, please go into that and maybe take advantage of that before it's gone. Here we got their roadmap. Okay, they started their pre-sale for the NFTs token in October 3 months ago, and then we have KingSwap launched in October 2020, and then liquidity migration going on to the launch of raffle games and NFTs staking. Like, they're moving fast, guys. This has all been done in 1 quarter, from October 2020 until January 2021, right, which is when this video has been recorded. They are moving fast. This is literally just 1 quarter. All this stuff has been done. And you get their partners. You got Real DeFi, Alpha Sigma Capital, Tradecraft, DeFi Pulse. A lot of big players. They're doing good. Now, guys, KingSwap.club. All right, that's the URL where you're gonna go to actually access what packages you bought and from your referrals. Now you're gonna go KingSwap.club as a URL, and you're gonna log in with your email and your password, and then you're gonna be able to see on your dashboard the packages that you purchased from the original platform, as well as referrals from the referral program. Okay, so go ahead and do that, and you can see everything you bought. All right, guys, we saw a lot of great stuff that KingSwap is offering for us, but let's really take a look at some of the news articles that came out from them from credible sources. Now, guys, I've been saying these guys are out there. People know about them. Now, let's take a look at the Business Insider article that came out of them. KingSwap allows high-yield DeFi investments into Bitcoin and $King tokens. Now, that's their token, guys, if we didn't cover that already. Singapore, Access Wire, December 30th, 2020, which is like a week ago. DeFi project KingSwap today announced a newly launched e-commerce platform called KingSwap Shop. That's what we're talking about, guys, is Shop. It allows newcomers to cryptocurrencies to jump onto their first high-yield cryptocurrency investment with just a credit card. KingSwap launches new ways for newcomers to crypto to invest in Bitcoin, even if they aren't professional traders or not savvy with cryptocurrencies, to take advantage of the bullish Bitcoin and DeFi markets. Now, here you go, guys. The shop is present with their packages we just went over: the Noble Square, the Valiant Knight, Dazzling Queen, and Exclusive King, with their purchase prices and their earning percentages. Now, basically what they're talking about in this article is that if you're not exactly completely savvy in the market, you don't know much about crypto or Bitcoin or blockchain or anything, that's okay. You can make a purchase of one of these packages for a low price, and the work is done for you. Now, as they mentioned, you can also enjoy profits without needing any technical knowledge, as returns are generated automatically by the KingSwap platform through the decentralized finance yield farms. We went over their farming and their staking earlier on their different side of their platform. Now they go into Valiant Knight, they go into Dazzling Queen, going on with the percentages and how it works. And then you have their rewards program, the higher rewards for higher packages. Now, guys, they go back tie into how KingSwap is a DeFi project that's based out of Singapore with a fully regulated token, their King token, that introduces a liquidity pool platform with possible fiat conversions. Now, their KingSwap liquidity pool is available for you guys to take a look at, and KingSwap has just launched 4 new tiers of metal cards: King, Queen, Royal, and Blue Squire cards. Now, they are regulated, they are available, they are out there. You can reach out to them at hello@kingswap.io. Guys, let's take a look at the KingSwap blog. Now, KingSwap launches their first high-end fiat metal cards. Following to what we ended on the previous article, their metal cards. Let's take a look at really what it is about. King, Queen, Royal, and Blue Squire cards. These are really cool, guys. 4 different colors, different themes. Guys, we know how the order of these cards go, okay? It starts from higher to low, from King, Queen, Royal, Knight, and Blue Squire. Now, they stated right here, guys, you need 1 million King tokens for the King card, and then goes into Queen, and then the Knight, and then the Squire. Okay, guys, these cards are really cool. Honestly, I'm thinking about applying for one right now. They feature sleek, high-end metal design and are loaded with extensive rewards and high yield, with no annual or monthly fees, no foreign transaction fees, etc. Now, guys, in an ever-evolving world where everything's digitalized and online, this is really interesting to see. It's such a cool physical card. Present details and your information. You can present details, short NFT and minimum amount, or you can just pay the point for Ethereum, showing your wallet with the NFT in the wallet. Before we take a look at their Telegram group, let's take a look at what Bitmark posted on their Telegram. So the Bitmark exchange channel is a cryptocurrency channel, and they posted up the King token listing benefits: 100,000 King, worth approximately 10,000 USD. in prizes, guys. Bitmart exchange channel on Telegram has posted something about KingSwap and what's going on with them. Now guys, their debut listing benefits 100,000 in King tokens, which is worth 10,000 USD in prizes. Now this contest ends on January 22nd, 2021 at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Get into that before it's done. It's not going to be around forever. You got about a week or two until that's over. Now please go into that and check it out and let me know how it goes. Now guys, the KingSwap official Telegram group, this group gets me excited. They have over 32,000 members right now. At this moment, 1,655 members are online. They talk on an hourly basis. They're online, they're there, they're talking to each other, helping each other out. KingSwap.io, that is the platform, guys. Now listen, KingSwap is the newest DeFi liquidity pool platform that offers off-ramp fiat currency converting solutions to allow users great convenience between the fiat and cryptocurrency world. KingSwap.io, they'll share links right there if you want to share with your friends or family. They have their media right there. Different graphs, different numbers, different information for you guys to process and see what's going on in the market. Then you have your files where people share files, people share links or documents, whatever it is, to help each other out. And then you can also find them on Link, AimPay, KingSwap Exchange, so on and so forth. Now guys, this was the king, okay? This was the king of the cryptocurrency world. I'm Crypto ARVI. We're going to be right back very soon, another video for you guys. But for right now, I'm going to have a good night's sleep thinking about the king, all right? Crypto ARVI out.